Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Catherine and today I'm going to show you how to screen record on your iPhone. So my iPhone, I'm just going to swipe up. You see this little dot? I'm going to hit it. 3, 2, 1. It has started to record and you'll see it at the top. It's recording this whole screen right now. So to stop, you just hit the little red bar at the top and it says screen recording. Stop. Stop. Screen recording saved to photos. Yay. And now we can see the horrible video that I just screen recorded. It was very short and to the point. I hope that helped you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification for more tips and tricks and exciting things over here. And don't forget to go to my website and get my free ebook, 5 ways to make money online if you're a traveler or just want a side hustle or you're a stay-at-home parent, literally anything. So don't forget to grab that book and yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye.